children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will study biographical sketch. A bio sketch of a person contains a detailed account of his physical outlook, characteristics, nature, job profile, and other relevant personal information as required. The data provided in the question is used to write a bio sketch or personally compiled by the writer. जो बायो स्केच होता है वो क्या होता है, उसमें आप किसी भी पर्सन का उसमें डिटेल होता है, उसका कैरेक्टर, उसका नेचर, उसका जॉब प्रोफाइल और जो भी उसके बारे में जो रेलेवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है वो उसमें गिवन होती है. नाउ पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर, कभी आप बायो स्केच अगर लिखेंगे तो क्या क्या चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखनी होती है. Number 1, the person's basic information such as date of birth, name, place of birth, educational level, family background, etc. is compiled to be used in the bio sketch. उसका date of birth, place, name, उसकी educational qualification, family background, सब कुछ आपको उसमें देना होता है. His or her personal achievements, personality traits, field of professions, etc. are also taken into account. It should be drafted in third person. जब बायो स्केच करते हैं तो थर्ड पर्सन में वो लिखा जाता है. Social recognition, special contributions, etc. should also be included in the summary of the person's bio sketch. उसकी social recognition, उसको क्या किस पोस्ट से किस चीज़ से उसको जाना जाता है, वो किस चीज़ के लिए फेम में है, ये सब उसके बारे में, उसका सोशल कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या उसने समाज को दिया है, क्या उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन था लाइफ में, वो सब आप उसमें देते हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन मस्ट बी कोहेरेंटली अरेंज्ड विदाउट ग्रामेटिकल एरर. जब आप इंफॉर्मेशन दें तो उसमें ग्रामेटिकल एरर नहीं होनी चाहिए. कंजक्शंस कुड बी यूज टू फ्रेम लॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस इन ऑर्डर टू रिमेन विद इन द स्पेसिफाइड वर्ड. आप अगर लंबे सेंटेंस हो रहे हैं तो कंजक्शन का भी यूज़ उसमें कर सकते हैं. नाउ सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल. Use the following information to write a biographical sketch. Now key points: name Raja Ram Mohan Roy, date and place of birth 22/5/1772 in Radhanagar, Bengal. Contribution and achievements: also known as maker of the modern India, founded Brahma Samaj 1828 and Atmiya Sabha, great scholar and thinker, got sati abolished in 1829 against idol worship and orthodox Hindu tradition. Initially served the revenue department of East India Company 1814. Promoted education based on English system, particularly female education. Founded a school in 1822. Now death on 27/9/1833 in Bristol, England. Now answer आप कैसे करेंगे आप इसको? The great scholar, thinker, founder of Brahma Samaj and Atmiya Sabha, also known as maker of the modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, was born in Radhanagar, Bengal on 22 May 1772. He was a great thinker and scholar who raised his voice against many social evils and abolished them. He promoted female education to improve the condition of the women in society. He initially served the revenue department of the East India Company and later founded a school to promote the English system of education in 1822. He got sati system abolished in 1829. He was against idol worship and orthodox Hindu traditions. He died in Bristol, England on 27 September 1833. तो इस तरीके से आपने complete information उसमें दी है. Now this is your exercise. You have to practice it.